This four-door sedan still has less than 120,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.